how to get admin commands in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. First, you want to search for Steal A Brainrot here on the Roblox website and click on the game itself, and we want to open up the game. So you open up the Roblox game client. Now it's going to take a little bit of time for Roblox to load here, but this is going to load up the game. So Roblox Steal A Brainrot. Now if you want to get admin commands, what you will do is go into the shop itself. And here you will get to the game passes section. Click on game passes and you will see admin panel. Get admin commands, type cmds in chat for a list of the commands. And if you want to get admin commands, you will have to purchase this for currently 7,500 Robux, and here it's going to calculate how much it's going to cost. So you gotta buy Robux and you'll have admin commands in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.